require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame them. Basic bottom troll if you want greater. I am no wave, you could be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, feel like we stacking. Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Brain making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, love baby me. Yeah, if it's mine, that's for mine. Be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up down. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. Ready to pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up down. All gas. Stay down even when we not up.
Hi.
No way they could ever break
Hi, how are you?
us up.
I'm looking for Noni.
Only try.
Hi. How are you? We spoke earlier. Okay.
I wanted to choose them. Let's looking for 39 extra.
Okay, it's fine.
Let me clean them first for you.
All right. I just want to.
Oh my goodness. Joey and Liza, they are here. They are here. I don't know where I'm gonna hide the camera so we can, capture the moment. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Guys! Okay, you must kill the guys. Yeah, guys. Hi. We'll tell you what this is about. We're waiting for one more person. Also like at a table looking for
Oh, yes. No, like like in a group. So, here is Diana. Oh, even the reason is that both and some camera. I'm like, okay, let me put mine in. If we're not here, I have.
Ah, we're not in my own.
Go like it should be your short king camera because I'm like, but how battery.
I have to ring bell.
Hi.
I'm good.
I thought that food is it on the other side?
The other side.
Oh,
Okay.
Mechanic someone told.
Oh.
So mechanic coming. No number. Sir.
You can have some more.
No, I'm shocked. I'm still shocked, guys.
Don't be shocked, sorry. Hello, you still like at your hand.
We haven't met. This is your first time meeting. Yes. Are you serious?
yeah, we see the amazing work that you do, and we really appreciate you. So we decided that we want to appreciate you by celebrating you when you're still alive. So that you can smell the flowers when you're still alive. And you know that you mean a lot to us and we see you. And well done and congratulations on your new baby. We are here and we want to celebrate mother knows. So yeah, we are here and we appreciate you. So this is for you. Yes. Those are your flowers. These are your flowers that you must smell. That's a message from us to you. Yeah, so it's a celebration for you. Well done, and we wish you all the best on this journey. More blessings. You want to solve 1 million copies?
Amen.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. You guys want to end? You took everything. I took everything. When I saw Naila, I was like, thank God. And
I
the meeting felt like we met like an hour, and it was just like 2 seconds of meeting. And I was like, oh, plus more, and we're talking about this and this and this. Then we had to like create something, and like emotional. Guys, I'm crying baby. So yeah, so we really wanted to celebrate you because I am one example for when I go. So I don't really bad or really bad, and I don't know. But I was sure that it was a nice visual. Yeah, from women to another woman. To celebrate you. We want to celebrate you all the time. You know. We more enjoy.
Nothing taken me off, so I was not part of the event plan. So they were going to take me up.
I got the key.
Yeah, because he was going to get you here. But another thing.
Guys, I'm trying not to cry.
You're crying yourself.
And I got to see your face.
We are waiting for the shit.
Yeah, guys, you're level 1. I'm really sorry. Thank you so much.
So yeah, let's celebrate. Let's go take.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.